If you've ever wanted faster access to formatting tools in Microsoft Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, then this quick tip is going to save you time every single day. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the Mini Toolbar so it appears whenever you select text or other content. This is a simple setting, but it makes editing much quicker and more convenient. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tips just like this. Now let's get started. First, open the Microsoft app where you want to enable this feature. You can do this in Word, Excel, or PowerPoint because the setting works across all of them. Once the program is open, look to the top left corner and click on File. This will open the Backstage menu where you can access the program settings. From the File menu, scroll down and click Options. This opens the main options window where you can change how the application behaves and displays tools. In the Options window, make sure you're in the General section. If you don't see it right away, simply click General on the left-hand side. Now, in the General settings, look for the option called Show Mini Toolbar on Selection. This is the setting that controls whether the small floating toolbar appears when you highlight text or other content. Go ahead and check that box to enable it. Once it's turned on, Microsoft Office will display quick formatting controls automatically whenever you make a selection. After checking the box, click OK to save your changes. That's it. The feature is now enabled. To test it, go back into your document, spreadsheet, or presentation and select some text. You should immediately see the Mini Toolbar appear near your selection, giving you a fast access to common tools like font formatting, bold, italics, and more. This is especially helpful if you edit documents often and want to work more efficiently without constantly moving up to the ribbon. It keeps the most useful tools right where you need them, which can really speed up your workflow in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick Microsoft Office tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.